So why do fearless agents earn so much more than the other coaching students out there in the real estate industry? Well, it's obvious. They don't make crazy mistakes. They don't do things in the wrong order. They would never show up to a listing appointment and take the tour first. That's crazy. They never send out a pre-listing package. The people that I coach that make the most money, they do no marketing. They do no pre-listing package. They never call to confirm the appointment. That would be crazy. They don't do all the things all the other coaches teach you to do, and that's why they make way more money. If you're earning less than you wish you were, you're open to the idea of having some help with that, please give me a call. Love to help you get rich selling real estate like we have so many other people. You can go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our free videos. If you think it might be a good fit for you, you're probably right. And then we're going to turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.